All right, y'all. I wasn't really going to video any of this, but it's what I got going on, and the polls were canceled this past weekend, so we're going to work on the storage shed, try to get it going, get filled up, and most of it will probably be time-lapse because it's not really exciting, but it's what I'm doing, so I figured I might as well throw it on some video. So sit back, relax, and I'll get to work. All right, y'all. My time-lapse camera sucks, so this is what I did here in the middle. I added these two boards on the outside because of the plywood I'm using. It's scrap plywood, leftover stuff, and it's short. It falls to about here. So, but then also in the corner here, I had to add a piece of 2x4 here, and had to add one here, so I have some place to put this board and this board into. So next I'll put these pieces of plywood along this back wall, and then we'll start up the side. So all right, let me get on that. All right, y'all. We got the first 3 sheets up. Still working on this one. You can see here, I had to, well, over here better. You can see I had to put spacers in because that seam fell off the stud. And like I said, this is recycled lumber, so I'm just doing what I can. So, and this isn't structural. It is strictly for when I'm putting stuff in here. I don't bang into the aluminum or the steel on the outside and put dents or dings or holes or anything like that. It's only 1/4 inch thick, but it's good enough to keep that stuff from, you know, happening. And eventually down the road, if I ever do want to do something else with this shed, like insulated or whatever, I can do the blown in cellulose and go in from the top and blow it in. So, you know, but yeah, I mean, you can see that gap there. It's, you know, it's off, but like I said, this is recycled. It's cut-offs. So yeah. All right, that's where we're at. I'm starting to lose light, starting to lose energy. So we'll probably pick this up again tomorrow and continue on. All right, y'all. It's another day. It just got way too warm in here yesterday, so I shut her down for the night. But you know, we got pretty decent done. So we're gonna finish this side over here and probably start on that side. So see how much we can get done. It's still warm in here, so let's get her going. All right, y'all. We got this side all done, and yes, I will probably go back in and put pieces there. It's a little bit flimsy, but it's not bad. The center pieces between that are a little more strong, but we're halfway done. So yeah, and I'm not going to do this because I don't have the wood for it. But like I said, it's just it's not to insulate. It's just to keep from hitting that steel. But I think it looks pretty good. Eventually, some year, if we decide to do the top half, you know, we'll finish that out and, you know, insulate it or whatever. But like I said, for now, it's just to keep from banging that steel. So. All right, I guess we'll go back in this corner and start on that. So here we go. All right, y'all. You can see I got that back panel there, that first corner piece, all put in and installed, but it's hot out here again, and I got to get some more of those little 1x for the spacers. I got them, I just not in here, but I'm hot, I'm tired, and I'm hungry. So we're gonna end this for today. We'll pick her back up tomorrow. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Got the last sheets up. Everything's done. I just gotta put my tools and stuff away, sweep up, but it's done. Took me a couple days, but I'm happy with the results. So now we won't be punching through the wall. So, and I left this over here just because I don't have another piece of this material. So yeah. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for the video. I don't know if you guys seen in the time lapse, I did lay my finger open. You see a little drippy there, but a little black tape, a little rag, dried it right up. It's dried it right up, and it's good to go. So we got all the plywood in here. Now, next thing is pull the ramp out, get it attached, and then start filling it up with junk. So see if we can't fill this one up too. So appreciate y'all. If you would, hit that like button. Helps out the channel. This is kind of like a little impromptu video that I did. Like I said, we didn't pull this past weekend. Got canceled because of rain. So I decided to work on the shed, and this is what I had going on. So appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys all in the next one. The next one should be a pulling video. So catch you then.